This video covers call handling on iPECS 1 for iOS. To begin a call, start by tapping the dial pad icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You should then have the option to dial a number from the pad. If the number you are dialing matches that of a contact, it can automatically bring up that contact's details. You can also search for a contact by name. If we type in Ed's name, we can see both his extension and his mobile contact details. When the call is connected, a timer will show the duration of the call. You then have options to choose from while the call is live, which are mute, put the call on hold, put the caller on speaker, and a keypad if you need to enter a key whilst on a call. On the right of the screen, you will have more options, which are video, call park, record, and hide options. To transfer the call, hit transfer, and then search for the contact to transfer the call to. If you wanted to transfer the call without talking to the recipient first, you can tick the blind transfer tick box. Once I've chosen the contact I am transferring to, in this case Tom, I press next, which will start dialing Tom. When Tom answers the call, you can tap done to transfer the call, or cancel to be reconnected to the previous call. If successful, a message will appear at the bottom of the screen to say transfer successful.